In every profession, we are strictly measured by KPIs. And for a believer, da'wah is one of the key performance indicators, as Allah has mentioned in Surah Al-Asr. Allah says, "Verily, by the token of time, man is in great loss, except such as those who have believed and do righteous deeds and enjoin others towards good and enjoin others towards patience." Brothers and sisters, please join us here at AlManar Islamic Center in Dubai for a Dawah Intuitive Workshop, Dawah Dynamics, the Art of Presenting Islam. To register, please visit us at www.dawahdynamics.com and we will see you there.